Welcome back, family, for another Willie J Smooth review. Today, I'm gonna do something simple, but hey, we gonna be learning something new from somebody. So, I have my ham right here, and I have my turkey breast right here. And we finna do a tutorial on sandwiches at lunch. All right, so first of all, I'm about to get my little turkey breast side. Boom. So this right there. Boom. I'm gonna go ahead and dig into this ham. Right there. Right there. See, I got my little pepper packets. I'm gonna sprinkle my little pepper. Hey, you gotta jazz it up. We ain't doing nothing ordinary or nothing simple over here. Yeah, we gonna supreme it. We gonna add an extra pizzazz to it. Man, look, you don't got to do, you cheating yourself. Get that dude. Okay, we got that right there. We don't need too much. That's a tad bit of mayo. There you go, get it. Okay, there we go. Okay, then I got the Kroger pickles. Now with this, I'm gonna do, okay, all right, I'm gonna slice that pickle. Yeah, there you go right there. I just leave it just like that, I don't care. Then I'm finna hit it with that mustard. There we go. Boom. Boom. Get on up over there. Okay, there you go. The light mayonnaise. Put that right there. Got you a sandwich. But now, thing gotta go in that microwave. Excuse my hand, but I'm gonna put these sandwiches in the microwave. We'll be right back. All right, here we go. Just took these sandwiches out the microwave for 30 seconds. No more than 30. 30 seconds good enough. And there you go. Let me show y'all what it's looking like on the inside right quick. Oh yeah. Ooh, look at that. Yes, sirree. Gonna be delicious. So you want something quick, simple while you at work that's healthy. Wheat bread, ham, turkey, pepper, a little bit of mayonnaise, mustard, and pickles, and you good to go. You can't go wrong with this. Thank y'all for tuning in for another Willie J Smooth review.